Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome back to another edition of Juicing with Jay. Before I go any further, guys, please do me a huge favor. Please hit that like, share, and subscribe button if you haven't yet. I really appreciate it. Today, I'm going to be harvesting some mustard greens. They're not particularly my favorite. I prefer the collard greens, the Georgia collard in particular, but I have some growing here in the garden, but the bugs are really getting at it. So I'm gonna try this trick that I learned from growing out the box with the cup with some different natural stuff in there, and hopefully I can get the slugs or whatever is in there eating away at it to fall into the cup, and then these will be all right. But I have them growing in other places, but yeah, they are really having a feast. So the collard greens or the mustard greens, they haven't touched that much, but they love the collards as much as I do. So anyway, I'm gonna harvest some of these. As you can see, these are nice, big, and healthy. Nice, good leaves. I prefer to eat these raw if I do eat it, because it has that nice wasabi taste. But cooked, I really don't care for them. Let me know what you think down below. If you prefer the mustard greens over the Georgia collard. But that's about it. Just a quick video. This is what I have to do in order to save my food and pass the food along. So, you know the motto on the page, each one teach one, Juicing with Jay. And I will definitely see you on the next video. Peace.